everyone, myself Avinash, and today I am here for my presentation, and my topic is amino acid. First of all, amino acid. What is amino acid? Amino acid are the fundamental building block of protein, and it is very essential for biological functions. So now we are talking about structure of amino acid. Structure of amino acid, in middle we have alpha carbon. And on the upper side we have hydrogen atom. On the left hand side we have amino acid.
Class.
And on the right hand side we have carboxyl group. And here we have R group. And R group is variable. It determines the property of NH2, means amino acid. Now we are talking about the classification of amino acid on the basis of R group. First, we have polar, non-polar. Non-polar means
Spell it N-O-N, non.
Non-polar means the hydrophobic, and these are like charged particles. Its example is glycine, allene, and valine. And now we are talking about the polar solvent. Polar means hydrophilic and charged molecules. Its example is glutamate and therorine. And now we are talking about the charge. In charge we have both acidic and basic. And its example I forgot. Now we are talking about the zwitterine formation. In zwitterine formation, we have first in natural. Neutral. I took the neutral.
Yes, neutral medium.
Neutral medium. In neutral medium, here the carboxyl group carbon comes here.
Carbon not beta, hydrogen. Carboxyl group release its hydrogen and it will be taken by.
Amino acid.
Yes.
So this is cation.
Cation should have a positive charge.
Yes, this is cation and this is anion. Now we are talking about the acidic one. For the acidic behavior of amino acid.
Behavior of amino acid in acidic medium.
Yes.
That will be basic.
So here. Here H plus is filled randomly, and it make a chemical combination here with amino acid, so it becomes NH3.
Class. Who is talking? COOH.
Yes, H. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Now we are going to talk about the basic medium of amino acid behavior. Here it makes a.
No. Here will make na.
Yes, ma'am. Here.
Yes. The hydroxyl group will be gained by carboxyl group.
Yes. And it releases a H2O, hydrogen molecule.
इसको चला गया है ना?
H2O released here.
So this behavior will be acidic or basic? Hydrogen is released. Behavior will be acidic or basic?
Acidic.
Acidic behavior. So in this presentation we learned that in acidic medium our amino acid will be behave like a base, whereas in basic medium the amino acid will behave like a acid. And in neutral medium amino acid will form zwitter ion. Zwitter ion means presence of cation and anion in the same molecule, same compound. Getting clear? समझ में आया तुम लोग को? चलो अब इनसे क्वेश्चन पूछना है. कुछ भी पूछो. गर्ल्स, एक क्वेश्चन गर्ल्स से चाहिए मुझे, जो भी टॉपिक पढ़ाया गया है. यस, स्टैंड अप. आ सकता. What is difference between zwitter and the normal cation? Cation क्या होता है? Zwitter ion क्या होता है?
Cation is the positively charged particle.
Yes, and zwitter ion?
Zwitter ion where positively and negatively
Both
charged particles are present.
Yes. Now you ask question to them. You ask. Anyone. बैठो. तुम किसी से पूछो बेटा. देखते हैं क्या इन लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स है.
Deepchan.
Stand up. बेटा turn the camera.
What is the behavior of amino acid in basic medium? Study.
Acidic behavior. सही है. बैठ जाओ. Now लड़कियों से पूछो एक क्वेश्चन. You stand up. Yes. Ask बेटा. Okay, let me ask. How to identify that medium is acidic or basic? How to identify this is a basic medium? Basic medium है, कैसे पता चल रहा है? क्या है इसमें प्रेजेंट जो बता रहा है कि ये बेसिक मीडियम है? बताओ बेटा. ऐसा क्या इसमें दिख रहा है? ये तो नॉर्मल हमारा अमीनो एसिड है, बस मीडियम में क्या ऐसा है कि जो बता रहा है कि OH नेगेटिव मतलब हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन है ना. अगर किसी मीडियम में हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप ज्यादा है तो वो क्या होगा? बेसिक मीडियम. अगर मीडियम में हाइड्रोजन आयन का कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा है तो क्या होगा? एसिडिक मीडियम. गेटिंग? बैठ जाओ. यहाँ पे मैंने एक आपको बताया था कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट. इसी वजह से जब एसिडिक मीडियम में हाइड्रोजन आयन का कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होता है, इन दैट केस हाइड्रोजन आयन कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप के H को निकलने नहीं देता है, और वो हाइड्रोजन आयन हमारा अमीनो ग्रुप के साथ मिल जाता है, NH3 का फॉर्मेशन करता है. एंड दिस इज द रीजन कि हमारे एसिडिक मीडियम में अमीनो अम्ल का बिहेवियर कैसा हो गया बेटा? बेसिक हो गया है. तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये इफेक्ट कौन सा है जिसकी वजह से बिहेवियर चेंज हो रहा है. कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट. गेटिंग? ओके. नाउ बहुत अच्छा बेटा.